Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to the situation update. We got the dollar Canadian on this video, and next video we're going to touch base with the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to be focusing on the Ripple. Let's go right ahead, dive in, ladies and gentlemen. Dollar Canadian had come up yesterday and placed itself in a very lucrative position for us to take action. We think price action is on the way down. It started off about five trading days ago when it was approaching 28.30. It managed to cross over for a few hours and then snapped right back in, left that big spike. I believe that was the end of a sideways movement, but also that was the end of a technical correction. So if you think about it, price action was coming up ever since early this year, middle of January roughly. It started to turn around. So it's coming from a higher spot, right? It's coming from 130 from December. So that was the peak. Price action went down, and at January it began a technical correction. So this is the technical correction. We think this is the end of it right here, when it spiked at 28.30. So that's the beginning of a new downside trend. It's a bit bumpy though, right? Price action is very volatile given the events that unfolding from East Europe. So but the direction remains the same. It's downwards. So we believe we were trying to basically take advantage of this upside push yesterday, throw it in the first 10K in a new downside, in a new short position. Now once price action crosses below 27.15, that will give us incentive to throw in another 10K. When it begins to cross below 26.84, you guessed it, we're going to be able to throw in another 10K. That's how we're going to push the position bigger. Eventually there is an obstacle, 26.15 could pose some trouble, but once price action breaks that level, it's gonna probably accelerate towards 25.12. So we're gonna try to get more aggressive at this part of that move. I'm gonna give you a glimpse to the bigger picture so you can see where we're coming from and why I suggested that everything coming from late December was a technical correction. So here's how we're coming from that 130 level, right? This is the first downside segment. This is the technical correction, and we should be witnessing another downside segment, third one, that's going to complete a full move back to the lower section right here. 25.12 is a big support level. That's why we've designated that level to be our primary target and final destination. But like I just hinted, I believe price action will go beyond. And you know what? It can even have a massive downside breakdown at 23.30, but that's much further around the corner. Where right now we're kind of trying to keep our eyes on the ball, which means focusing on 26.15 and 25.12. That's what's coming. We got our stop loss level at 28.17 apparently. So yeah, there you go. This is it. This is the story behind the dollar Canadian right now. Hot topic for us. We feel confident about the situation, and we decided to use the situation here to deliver to you guys. That's pretty much about that for the Forex market section on our program today. Moving on to the second section, cryptocurrency markets, coming right up in the next video. See you there.